Facial icing is going viral. Everywhere I scroll there's someone rubbing ice cubes on their face, promising instant glow. But before you reach for the ice tray, let's take a closer look at what's really happening beneath your skin. Your skin isn't just a simple surface, it's a complex barrier made of layers, each with its own job. When ice hits your face, the epidermis, the top layer, feels the shock. Instantly, blood vessels below constrict. That's called vasoconstriction, and it's your body's way of protecting itself from the cold. For a moment you might look rosy and refreshed, but really, your skin's in a mini panic. Nutrients and oxygen can't flow as freely, so the glow is more of a stress response. Digging deeper, repeated icing can damage those delicate capillaries in the dermis. They're tiny, easily broken. That's how you end up with redness or even visible veins over time. And then there's your lipid barrier, the protective layer that locks in moisture and blocks out nasties. Extreme cold chips away at it, making your skin dry, inflamed, and vulnerable. Long-term, all that freeze-thaw stress weakens collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep skin firm. Instead of youthful bounce, you might be setting yourself up for sagging and irritation. Dermatologists warn direct icing can even trigger ice allergies, and if you use retinol or acids, the risk is higher. Here's my tip. Use chilled rollers or cool masks with a barrier, never direct ice. So next time you see a new trend, remember, it's not just about how it feels, but what it does under your skin. Tried icing? Drop it in the comments and subscribe for the science behind your skincare.